Goliath was a giant of a man. How tall was he? He was over 9 feet tall. How did the Israelites feel when Goliath shouted at them? They were terrified. How many days did Goliath challenge the Israelites? For 40 days. What was the name of the people the Israelites were fighting? The Philistines. What did King Saul promise to the man who defeated Goliath? A big reward. What did David say to King Saul? I will go and fight him. What did David take to fight Goliath with? His sling and 5 smooth stones. What did Goliath do when he got a good look at David? He laughed. What did the Philistines do when they saw that their hero Goliath was dead? They ran away. Finish the sentence. David said to Goliath, "You are coming against me with sword, spear and javelin, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty."